What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. Now, with June's closing, where do we expect this entire month is headed? Let's quickly find that out. Now, as usual, we always begin our analysis with DXY, and right here, the dollar index on the daily chart is pretty much going as expected, right? Now, here we also have a small could be a potential insignificant trend line which we are forming. Not really very certain that we will be able to grab this liquidity and continue higher, but there is a possibility we could sweep these lows and continue higher, right? Overall, I'm seeing very bullish DXY, and my monthly target could potentially be maybe 107 or at least 107.1, and the best could be maybe 107.3 or odd level. So there's a very good chance we will continue bullish this entire month on DXY. Now let's take a quick look on Euro USD. So of course, needless to say, since they are inversely correlated, you will see something quite opposite price action. So on a daily time frame right here, we have this some sort of resistance trend line. So there is a possibility we might sweep this, right, just to test back again some imbalance right here and then again continue lower. Alright, so my target on EU is 1.06 odd level. I want this to be tested, after which you can expect a push again on the upside, right, because we have imbalance right here. So this is pretty much my view for the week and as well as for the month. So now let's take a quick look on GU. GU looks very good, to be honest, on daily time frame right here. If you guys remember, I had given a trade which did not seem very strong, so I think it still almost hit my first target. However, right now what I'm expecting is we still have pending liquidity right here. There's a very good chance we could potentially continue higher just to test this daily order block right here and continue again on the lower side. So my bias on GU is also again in line with what we are expecting on DXY. Now finally, before we take a look on gold, let's take a quick look on silver. So on silver, if I were to go on a monthly time frame right here, on a monthly time frame, what has happened is we managed to close above this structure, right, making this as our official higher low. Now since we have closed and the other month failed to continue the momentum, there's a very good chance that market needs a breather, needs a pullback, right? So we are looking for that. My intentions are only a pullback in the market which needs to be followed, right, which of course means the daily will turn bearish. So for this to happen, we need some more confirmation, but on daily time frame we already have started to form lower highs and lower lows, a bearish potential shift in market structure. Right here was our first lower high, again broken, made a lower low, again made a lower high, potential lower low right here, very clean break, again a lower high. So this is a potential lower high that I'm seeing, and I expect, especially with the Friday close which was very weak honestly, I expect silver to continue down towards 26.5 or 27 odd level. Now there is one very important thing. If on silver we manage to breach or break and close above 30.85 odd level, so I will be again very bullish on silver positionally, right? So unless and until that high is protected, I think it's a very fair opportunity to continue looking for short opportunities, right? Now finally, let's take a quick look on gold. So before I show you this, let's quickly go on a weekly time frame and on a line chart. Let me hide these drawings here. So right here you can very clearly see we made a higher high, so this was my higher low, and we managed to give a lower low in the market, right? There was a breakup structure, basically a candle close officially to make the structure bearish. Now same thing on line chart on a daily time frame. Again, I have managed to break this structure, making this as my higher low. We are so far protecting that this specific low of 2286 odd level. However, in the process of reacting from this order block or demand or whatever you want to call it, what has happened is, very key information here is, we have started to make lower highs, lower lows, lower high, and this is again most likely going to give you a lower low in the market. Why do I say that? Now finally let's go on a candlestick chart and on 4-hour time frame to understand this better. So I'm sure you guys remember NFP, which happened right here on Friday, June 7. We comfortably broke this structure on the upside and again managed to close below this, right? This right here is a very strong high which we've created, and most important factor about this is, unless and until gold does not breach 2387, there is absolutely no way we can see all-time highs or we can continue higher. I am going to remain bearish positionally as long as 2387 is being protected by the market, right? Again here, when we attempted to continue push higher, what happened was we made this higher high, which makes this as my higher low right here, and we've managed to close below this, right? So there's a very good chance once 2318 is broken, 231819, whatever this level is, once this is taken out by the market, we will continue on the downside. We will definitely test this, we will get this liquidity, that is for sure, right? So yeah, that's pretty much my anticipation. 2319, very important level, and of course 2340, a break and close above will of course will give you 2360 odd levels, right? So that's pretty much my anticipation. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one.